Hello, my name is Ricky and I'm with the Sonlet team. And today I'm going to show you how to post your items to your Facebook albums. So the first thing that we'll do is go to our inventory page. You can see that I've already uploaded some of my photos into Sonlet. So now I'll just need to find my style, and I can either choose a size or I can click on all and have all of my items in this Amelia style show. I can choose just to post a few items at a time, or I can come up here and click on select all and have everything post at once. So we'll come down here and make sure that we are logged in to our Facebook account. And you can do that by clicking on this Facebook login, logout button right here. And then I always like to make sure that I refresh my information that Facebook has. So I click on this refresh button and everything is set up here for me. Now I just need to choose my group. So I can choose any group that I'm admin of that I would like to post these items to. Then I come in and choose my album. And I can, if my albums are already created on Facebook, then I'll already see them in my drop down right here. And if they haven't been created, then I can scroll down here to the bottom and click Create New. And when I do Create New, I'll need to enter the album name, and then I can upload an album cover photo. So when I post these items to Facebook, this album will be created at the same time. Today, I'm just going to click my Amelia album, and then I'm going to come to my message box. This is where you'll enter the information if you would like to have your customer use the claim link to claim the items. This is really nice feature to have. They don't have to comment sold, and you don't have to search for those sold comments. You can just use this claim link. They click on the link, and all that information will be sent to your sales page, which is really nice to have. So right here we have our messages that we've created for you already. You are able to create your own message if you would like, and you can do that by clicking on this Show Formatting Help right here. Or you can just click on this little clipboard to copy and paste the message that we've already created. When you post this message, all this information will auto-populate for you. So you won't need to change anything right now. When it posts, it will say, click to buy this Amelia that I have listed right now. And for the price that I entered, the description, if I entered any description with it, and the URL will be the actual claim link that the customers will click on. So the next thing is to come down and decide how I'm going to post these. I can list and post these to Facebook right now, or I can click on this little button right here and choose a later time and date. This is a really nice feature to have as well if you're going to be out of the office or away from home when your album sale is going on. So if you can wake up early, set all your albums to post at a certain time, and then be away from your desk, and during that time they'll post right for you. So you won't even have to be home or watching everything and making sure that things are going and that the photos are posting, that this will just schedule everything for you at that time, which is so nice to have. So today I'm just going to list and post to Facebook right now. And I just click on this blue button right here. And now I have a green banner up here on the top that shows me that it was successful and the items are queued to post right now. So if you would like to check the status of those, you can come over to the system status right here. And you'll be able to see all the information of what's posting today and what I have posting, current items, what's in queue. You'll also be able to see how busy the day is, and peak times and times that you may or may not want to post. So this is great information for you as well. And we have some facts here that you can read through. So hopefully that has helped you understand a little bit of how to post your items to your Facebook albums. And good luck and have fun.